Hello everyone! Today we are unlocking the secret of stellar delivery app interfaces. Ever wondered what makes some app a joy to use while others, well, not so much? Join me as we dive into the nuances of design, the do's, the don'ts, and everything in between. The first we will talk about is the convenient interface. A user-friendly interface it's not just a luxury, it's necessity. A seamless platform ensures users can easily navigate, browse, complete transactions, elevate satisfactions, and encouraging repeat use. Now let's take a closer look and analyze in the detail using examples. Allows users to explore without the hassle of signing up. Get verification, the express line for the faster experience. We can see this in apps like Instacart and Shipt. Next, we will look at elements in the registration and user profiles. Saved addresses and order history, it's like your app knows you. Simple registration, fewer fields, more speed. Progress bar for multi-step processes keep users on track. In the HelloFresh app, we can find a clear examples of the complete journey that users need to follow. Make sure to clearly tell users about any possible mistakes during signing up, or to give a warning before they happen. Here we have a good examples where users are quickly told what the passwords need to include. In Delivery app, it's helpful for users to save different addresses. A nice example is visible in the old application because sometimes at home, sometimes at work. Home screen design. Creating an effective home screen is an art. Put a big search bar for quickly finds and think about using automated hits to make it easier for user to use. You can also add a voice search for another easy and helpful way to search. Show off important items to get an eye and add a button that guides to a smooth shopping experience. Next, we are going to discuss filtering. Filtering must be simple, not overwhelming. It's a compass guiding user to their preferred delivery option. It's good to avoid having too many filters as it can make confusing. Let's take a closer look at the example of an application GoPuff. We can see this category in this part. When we click here, it takes us to different screen. If we pick a specific category, we see the same categories again. Clicking this button brings us to the same categories we viewed before. And guess where we end up if we click this one? Yep, the same categories again. We see clarity, not confusion. Shopping cart. This button could be in the navigation, at the top, or have its own button. All options are acceptable, but this one could be improved by displaying the total amount. Also remember to add a visual indicator to show how many items are in the cart. And here's the gem. In the Uber Eats application, you can make group order for the office heroes. It's saving time and money. And the last point, order tracking. Real-time order tracking the big path to delivery visibility. Progress indicators at every stage. Because who doesn't love knowing exactly where their goods are? So whether you are a user looking for a smooth experience or a developer striving for app excellence, this breakdown is your guide. Stay connected for more design insight, hit subscribe, and let's explore the world of user interface together.